Check it out, we're here with the 2015 to 17 Subaru Legacy and Outback Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Today, we're gonna show you how to get rid of your outdated radio in your Subaru Legacy or Outback. And in this DIY-friendly video, you'll see how we put in this beautiful new screen from Hamilton Motor Company. This high-resolution display is gonna give you access to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto features. We're gonna take you through step-by-step how to install it. The kit includes everything you need. Just pop on hamiltonmotorcompany.com. We have talented technical support here in Raleigh, North Carolina to help you out if you run into any questions. Let's take it in the car and we'll throw it in. And check it out, guys, the Hamilton conversion kit fully installed. Let's take off that screen protector, and there it is. Beautiful CarPlay, a brand new screen, a game-changing difference. 2 fingers up and down on the left side once you enable in settings, gestures, will allow you to turn the volume up and down. Of course, you can use the steering wheel controls also. Everything else is gonna work as you see it here. We got the backup camera, factory reverse camera. This system here, you can touch Hamilton and come to the Hamilton underlying operating system for apps and features not available in CarPlay.